Hi everybody, it's Joe from Chilili, where we celebrate water in the garden. We're putting the final touches on our big event that's coming up in a few weeks. We call it Splash. It's a garden tour where we feature fabulous gardens throughout St. Louis. But we need your help. We're looking for some sponsors to place an ad in our ticket booklet to help cover the costs so we can raise more money for the Wildlife Rehabilitation Clinic. So if your business would like a little extra exposure while helping out a great cause, contact me, Joe at Chilili. The ticket booklet will feature a 5x7 ad for as little as $119. There's a few other levels of sponsorship too. If you're interested in supporting this great organization, just give me an email at joe@chilili.com. We'll respond and let you know what's available and how you can help out. In closing, please consider helping us help them. I do thank you for watching. Check us out at chilili.com, Facebook, or Instagram.